What's up, you guys? It's your girl Yeliz, and I am here today to let you know that we are heading to holiday Matsuri. I will be there all weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today, Friday, I'll be dressing up as Egress from Solo Leveling, which will be debuting today, and I'm really excited to see how it's received. And on Saturday, Scorpion's coming back out to play because it's very, very popular. And on Sunday, I'll be there casually. So I'm really excited. Holiday Matsuri is absolutely berserk when it comes to popularity and how many people attend. So I cannot wait to check it out this year and meet the celebrity guests and all that jazz. So come and join me on my journey and my point of view of Holiday Matsuri.
Stop me. Go!
Look at the detail. Gorgeous.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Liz, and I am here on day 3 of Holiday Matsuri, the last day where I get to be casually dressed and comfortable and check out the vendor hall and the artist alley and enjoy the last day here at Holiday Matsuri. It's been amazing, it's been exhausting, it's been fantastic, and yeah, let's make the most of it. Alright, you guys, now that is it for Holiday Matsuri. Thank you so much for joining me on my adventure. Thank you to everyone who was showing me love and for being there, and for everyone that made effort to be in cosplay, because without cosplayers, these shows probably won't be as enjoyable, and it's really beautiful to see and to witness. But yes, thank you so much to all my patrons on Patreon. You guys can support me on Patreon if you'd like to as well. But yeah, have a good day. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.